Have you ever stepped into someone's home, maybe a neighbor's or one of your grown children's, and felt that quiet little moment of delight? The air feels fresh, the space looks calm, nothing extravagant, but somehow it just feels clean. Then you walk back into your own home, and while it's tidy, you wonder, why doesn't mine feel this way? The truth is, it's rarely about how often you vacuum or how expensive your cleaning products are. It's the little things, small habits often overlooked, that make a home feel not just clean, but genuinely peaceful. Today, I want to share 8 of those habits, simple, practical, and easy on your knees and back. Some may surprise you, a few might even make you smile and say, "I've never thought of that." Start with the door that sets the tone. Think about the first thing someone notices when they visit. It's not your freshly vacuumed carpet or stylish living room, it's the door. Your front door, inside and out, is your home's first impression. Its quiet handshake. Picture your door right now. Is it clean, or does it carry the marks of the past year? Scuffs, fingerprints, smudges, maybe even a cobweb? This is normal, we all get used to the familiar, but that first touch matters. People with homes that feel effortlessly clean often wipe down their doors regularly. Not a deep scrub, just a gentle wipe with a soft cloth and a little soapy water or vinegar once a week. Focus on the knob, lock area, edges, the spot below the handle, and the threshold. You can extend this to fridge doors, dishwasher fronts, under sink cabinets, and microwave or oven handles. Your eyes scan for contrasted clean handles and doors, make your whole home feel refreshed. Just 5 minutes can ripple through every room. Next is the secret of fresh air. I once knew 2 neighbors, both in their 70s, who loved to bake. One home always smelled slightly stale, the other like springtime. The difference? One simple habit: weekly ventilation. Open all windows for 10 minutes. Even in winter, soft furnishings absorb odors over time, and fresh air resets it all. Even a short breeze can make your home feel lighter, brighter, and instantly more welcoming. Then there's the one drawer reset. We've all opened that dreaded drawer, the catch-all in the kitchen, the side table, the hallway drawer. Just one messy drawer can make the whole house feel chaotic. People with homes that feel truly clean pick one drawer or small space each week, clear it out, wipe it down, and return items neatly. 10 minutes, some music, no pressure for perfection. That small act interrupts clutter, restores calm, and spreads a sense of order throughout your home. Don't forget the overlooked spots that subtly make rooms feel less clean. You might clean counters and floors, but the cabinet doors under the sink, dishwasher edges, fridge handles, and door trims often hold grime unnoticed. A quick weekly wipe of high-touch surfaces of fridge handles, microwave buttons, light switches can instantly brighten a space and trick the brain into feeling the whole room is fresher. Soft fabrics are another key. The scent of a home comes from what holds the air: curtains, cushions, throws, rugs, and upholstered furniture. Over time, odors build up in these soft items. A weekly refresh: spritzing with fabric-safe deodorizer, fluffing pillows, sunning blankets, vacuuming upholstery keeps the air smelling crisp without deep cleaning everything at once. Even cleaning tools need care. When was the last time you rinsed your mop head, emptied your vacuum, or cleaned your sponge? Dirty tools spread dirt and odors. A monthly reset: washing mop heads, microwaving sponges briefly, wiping vacuum parts, running a vinegar rinse in the washer improves efficiency and keeps your home cleaner with less effort. Pretend a guest is coming. Once a week, imagine someone special visiting. Walk through your home with their eyes and notice the stack of mail, the slight dust along baseboards, pillows needing fluffing, or a faint odor from laundry. Wipe counters, shake mats, open windows, straighten books. This fresh perspective helps you spot what truly matters and makes your home feel loved and cared for. Finally, pay attention to the splash zone in your bathroom. Tiny droplets from toilet use land on the floor, walls, baseboards, and behind the bowl. Wipe these spots weekly with a disinfecting cloth or vinegar solution. This simple habit eliminates lingering odors and makes your bathroom genuinely fresh. You don't need a brand new home or hours of scrubbing to create a space that feels calm and cared for. Just small, thoughtful attention: wiping a handle, opening a window, fluffing a pillow, resetting a drawer, cleaning overlooked spots. It transforms your home. These aren't chores, they're acts of love for your home and for yourself. Even a few minutes each day can restore a sense of pride, peace, and delight. You can walk into your own home and feel that quiet moment of contentment, not once a year, but every day. Start with one habit this week, and watch how it shifts your home and the way you feel in it. Your space reflects you, and with gentle care, it can feel refreshed, peaceful, and entirely yours again.